Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the scanner model and its interface, because that determines drivers and cabling. Plug the scanner into the PC using the correct cable or receiver. If the manufacturer provides drivers or a setup utility, install them now to avoid handshake problems later. Once done, power on both devices and watch the system notification area for new hardware. Make sure to use a powered USB hub when USB power is marginal. This prevents intermittent disconnects and speeds up enumeration. Once the hardware is connected, you configure communication settings so the PC and scanner speak the same language. Open Device Manager for COM mapping or the vendor app for HID settings. If you use RS-232, set baud rate, parity, and stop bits to match the scanner. For HID keyboard mode, choose language and suffix such as enter so scans submit correctly. If Bluetooth is used, pair on the PC and confirm any PIN. After configuration, test a sample barcode to verify data. You finish by validating the setup. Open Notepad and scan several barcodes to confirm the raw output and that delimiters like enter are present. This isolates app-level issues. If scans fail or show odd characters, use the vendor diagnostic utility or refer to LED/status codes to identify misconfiguration or firmware needs. If problems persist, swap the cable or port, reinstall drivers, reset the scanner to factory defaults, and retest. These steps fix most connectivity and compatibility faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.